In this video, we will take a look at how you can turn on or turn off scan text in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. And from here, tap on the more button, then tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we go to the top and tap on scanning. Then tap on scan text. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can go back to your camera and have your camera point at some text in here. You can see there is a text button right here. If you tap on it, that will allow the camera to quickly scan for text from a piece of paper or any object. And from the text here, you can choose to copy, so that will copy all the text, or you can touch and hold onto that and select part of the text where you would like to copy. You can translate directly from the text, or you can share it. So it's quite handy. You simply just use the camera, point at a piece of text, tap on the text icon. This will allow you to quickly select and copy the text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.